Oh, hi there, you goopy poop snoofler. A friendly reminder that if your heart's broken right now, I promise that sinking feeling in your chest, it'll go away. It's just gonna take some time. Focus on yourself, get out there and breathe the air. One day you'll be able to love freely again. Welcome back to Microscope. My name's Mike. Well, let it go, I can't salivate anymore, help me. That's a great song, thanks for that bop, Elsa. We're back again with another Daily Life episode, a suggestion from one of my followers, Poppin' Bubbles Co. I think that's how you say it. They asked to look at my saliva under the microscope. Great idea, really good idea. Grade it, love it, love it. For all you little goobers that don't know, you can actually comment and decide on what we look at next. It's probably more fun than watching paint dry or like digging a hole or something. Saliva has so many different functions, but one of the coolest ones is it pretty much protects your teeth by using like white blood cells to attack the bacteria on your teeth. I mean, you got tiny little tooth cleaners. Yeah, I'm not spitting any puns today, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.